In this video, I'll show you how to copy messages on Telegram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational content like this. Head over to your Telegram. If for any reasons you want to copy messages, what you're gonna do right now, let's say I joined this channel. Okay, let me see this channel, right? Yeah, so this, I think, a test channel. So I'm gonna show you. If you want to copy messages, you're gonna right click your mouse. Remember, right click. You're gonna see, okay, because I want to send this message, I don't think I can copy it, right? So I'm gonna head over to this other channel. So if you want to copy messages, right click, you're gonna see the copy, right? It works like it applies to any message you want to copy here. Once you right click your mouse, you're gonna see this, you're gonna see the copy option. Once you copy it, if you see, if I head over to this, I think I created a test channel. If I paste this here, you can see I copied this message and I was able to paste it. So this is how you can copy messages on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the next.